Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to schedule Instagram posts using the native app. To schedule posts, reels, or carousels natively in the Instagram app, go ahead to the Instagram app, create your post by hitting the plus button in the top left, and select the type of post you want to show the audience. Maybe you want to post a post, a normal post, or maybe you want to post like a reel, right? So go ahead and select the type of post you want. Let's say I'm gonna go with the normal post. Hit next. If you want to add something like music, text, overlay, filters, whatever, you could go ahead and do it on your own time. I'm gonna continue otherwise. Scroll a little bit down, add your location, tag people if necessary. If you want to add caption, go ahead and add caption, right? And don't forget to add hashtags to boost your audience or to boost your post. So I'm gonna hit more options regardless. Turn on schedule this post. So continue scheduling. Select the date and time. Right? So let's say Sunday, May 17th, 5:05 p.m. Hit done. Go back. Continue scheduling. Press schedule. Right? So you can schedule up to 75 days in advance. This feature requires a professional creator or business account, which can be enabled in settings. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.